Right, I'm out here scouting a little bit. New location. It's one of them places so big you could get lost. Oh man. This dude right here, so impatient. He does this little thing where he wraps the leash around him and then pulls me with his butt. We don't need to go on this trail even though it's widely marked. Come on. I don't know how far I'm gonna go, but we're gonna check this place out. It's windy today. So far, it's pretty cool. There's a log in the road, or the trail. But this trail actually looks nice enough to like ride a mountain bike on. That and the animal trails. The animal trails, you damn near mistake them for footpaths. He going crazy. Just dragging me along. I ain't came across any mushrooms or anything yet, but that's a pretty cool little hike. It's not bad out today either. I'll have to pop in if I come across anything worth recording. Yeah, this is awesome. Very open. This is kind of cool. Just a little bit of like field grass growing on both sides of the trails. Tell a lot of this is really old, man. Ooh, there's some water right there. I just rolled up on a little pond or lake. Looks like it's just a little pond. Have to go check it out. I'm telling you, animal trails. Come on, Tupe. Definitely ain't trying to go too far off trail. Hey, come on. Dude, why you gotta be like that? He wants to go where he wants to go. Yeah, you can tell a lot of stuff come down here to this water. Main thing I worry about is pigs. Like feral hogs. Man. Ooh, and something just tinkered with the surface. I bet you I bring a little fishing pole. Cause it ain't rained in a while. So I'd be amazed if this thing right here ever dries up. Hey, no, you stay out of that. Come on, get up here. Don't see any wildly fresh footprints, at least on this side. But that's cool. The little trail goes all the way around that way. And like I said, he's got it under his arm and behind his butt. Never ends with this dude. I bought him donuts and everything on the way out here. Looks like somebody's old fire pit. Okay, I'm getting back on trail. I thought I had seen like another lake but it was just the way that everything looked as it dropped off. Pretty out here. Man, if you were gonna find Bigfoot anywhere out here in Missouri, man, this would probably be the place, y'all. Phone don't do it justice. No. I ain't seen any like animal tracks yet. Lots of human track. But I am starting to see little dig outs. There's some turkey tail right along the trail. But yeah, I am starting to see some signs of like feral hogs. That's about it. Oh man. Just keeps going. Well, I think I figured out where I'm gonna stop for today. They say that part's Bell Mountain Loop. I looked at the map because I took a picture of it before I friggin' started hiking in. I'm good. It's not really a loop. Maybe, but I don't feel like getting lost today. Especially out here. Gotta go and really look at the map. I didn't really look at the map, I just kind of looked at the map. By only kind of looking at the map, I could still probably manage with a compass. But yeah, no. Better safe than sorry. Oh man. Definitely gets a little eerie through some of these spots. Like you wonder if something be watching you. Huh? Oh, I might have to stop with all these Bigfoot jokes. That and recording with the sunlight in frame. So that's probably annoying too. What's cool with hiking with the dog is like you can tell, you can straight up tell when he stops somewhere because something had like passed through that spot earlier in the day, or like, you know, the past couple days, just because, you know what I'm saying, the scent's so fresh. He's like, what is that? Like you can kind of read it on him. You can kind of read it. This is one of them portrait videos. Maybe when I'm putting it together later, I'll see Bigfoot in the background. Definitely tell there's a lot of stuff throughout here. At least running around throughout here. Man, it's not super interesting. Like there ain't really much that's like extravagant to record. Mainly probably because I'm wearing blue jeans. and being noisy. But yeah, I could definitely see hunting out here. You know what I didn't find this year so far? I haven't found very many turtles this year so far. At least while I was out like hiking or hunting. Huh. This gets all thick. Keep on thinking I'm gonna see something like dart off in the distance. Nope, this way. Maybe if I'm wary quiet. Maybe if I'm wary quiet. They just trucking along, man. I bet you he was waiting for a day like this. He's been slightly annoying. Just slightly. But it's still enjoyable. See, this is what I'm talking about, man. They cut this tree, and there's a rock right in between it, man. It's gotta be Bigfoot. Good Lord, dude, you got all kinds of crap all over you. Oh, I'm gonna have to clean him off. Must have walked through something that was letting go of all its little seed pods. Okay, I'm turning this off. This is how I train all my dogs to walk off the leash. What's up, good boy, huh? Come on. You want me to get your leash so you're not walking on it? Get them far enough out and burnt out a little bit. They'll listen. Plus, it gives them a little extra freedom. You get behind a little bit, speed right back up. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Good boy. See? Hey, listen. Just let him do his thing. I just found a stick bug. Oh, maybe the lens is dirty because it's not focusing. Oh, it's a little stick bug. Focus. Pretty cool.